All right, guys, we got a 2016 Dodge Durango V6. Got some fat wheels on it. Look at that. I like the stance on it. It looks beefy. Anyways, what we got done on it for you guys. So I got the factory converter up there and up there. Then it goes into the muffler, which is huge, but he didn't want it too loud, so we left it there. Then 2 1/4 pipe all the way back, and we continued that 2 1/4 into his stock tip. We took the resonator off. I don't know where they put it, but anyways, so there it is. So this just has a resonator, rear resonator delete. We'll let you guys hear it, see what you guys think. Dodge Durango Limited Flex Fuel. Like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, it's good. It's not too much. It's perfect. Just at least you can hear it now.
Under 100.
Yeah. There's sound decibels again. Yeah, right at 95. It's perfect. Go ahead and back it up. Dodge Durango. It's not bad. I like it. Durango Limited Resonator Delete. We'll let you guys hear on that inside. Dodge Durango V6 rear resonator delete. Nice. Very nice. Enjoy, guys.